Good morning, guys. It's actually raining here in sunny California. But we had to leave the Thousand Trails Park. I couldn't get my full 2 weeks there. Reservations were too busy. So I came here to, what's it called? Fountain of Youth, Spa and RV Resort. They have boondocking options, which I'm in, and they have full hookups and monthly and seasonal rates and everything else. And of course, Uma has to drink water while I'm filming to make some noise in the background. But yeah, we are on our way to Baja. Spent 4 days here. Pretty cool place, actually. They got actual hot springs here that they found in the ground years ago. So yeah, I went a couple times to the mineral springs, and apparently they're steam baths, which I didn't go into, or steam rooms. And they're individual bathhouses as well, which I didn't go in as well. I don't know why, I just didn't. But yeah, there's a restaurant here, and pools, and all kinds of activities and stuff, and lots of hiking trails. Tons of Canadians too, very friendly place. I really enjoyed my time here. But it's time to get heading south. We're going to El Centro today to get the last few items that I need to get before I cross the border into Baja. Woohoo! I can't wait. I'm so looking forward to that. But yeah, it's been a good couple weeks, just getting stuff prepared and cleaned and everything else. But unfortunately, with coming here, everything got dusty and dirty again. But I'm sure it's going to get that way in Mexico anyway, right? So it is what it is. But yeah, we are just making a coffee now to get my head straight. I've already had one. This is coffee number 2, taking Uma for a walk. And yeah, the dump station is up here. Oh, another thing that's kind of cool, I should show you guys when I go to the dump station, is they actually have like a car wash station here with a pressure washer and stuff. I saw a guy washing his A-class. You just pull in, there's a cement pad, and you wash away. Pretty cool. Yeah, dump station's up here and everything's up here, and I think it's not that far to El Centro from here. I'm already halfway down the Salton Sea on the eastern side. So yeah, it's not going to take long to go to El Centro. I might even see if I can find a laundromat to do the last little bit of laundry that I have, just so that I can go the full 2 weeks in Mexico before I have to do laundry again. So we shall see. But anyhow, that is my update. Uma, are you excited to go to Mexico? Go swimming in the ocean? Uma's 3rd country, not even 2 years old yet. What a lucky girl. Yeah, we're heading towards the border. So stay tuned. That was an easy crossing at the Mexican border. Got pulled in for an inspection. Quick and easy. Got my FMM stamped and my passport stamped, and I was on my way. The only problem was 5 minutes out of town, and apparently I went through a stop sign. As you can see on the right, it's barely visible, and I honestly thought that I was being scammed by the cops at first, until I reviewed this footage here. But yeah, I made it to just under the bridge ahead of us here, and I got pulled over and busted. At least I got him down from $100 to $60.
Hola, buenos días. ¿Hablas speak Spanish?
No.
En el parque, stop.
There was a stop back there?
Ajá.
Oops. Let's continue on to San Felipe. What's up, guys? Well, just made it to San Felipe. This place is freaking cool. I love being by the ocean. There we go. The Sea of Cortez. You gotta love this place. Look at that view. Gotta love beach camping. Right, Oma? You wanna go down in the water? Let's go. Stands right up there. Let's see if Oma goes in the water. Good girl. Good morning, Baja. Look at Uma. She is watching the dogs out there. I think they're wild dogs. Playing in the water at low tide. Way out there. I don't know if they're catching fish or if they're just playing out there or what. Yeah, this is 7:30 in the morning, low tide. Look at my pretty girl, Uma. You liking this, Uma? Oh, so nice. We're walking out into the ocean. It's still low tide out here. Yeah. Usually the water's way back there, or it will be. I got my camera on time lapse to show the tide coming in. Which would be pretty cool. Yeah, thought we'd just go walk out here in the morning for Uma. Just spaz out a little bit before we go get groceries and so on. I think she likes it out here. Don't you? Hi. Who's a good girl? Oh my. What are you doing? Yeah, she's making me dizzy. Anyway, this is cool. You see my van way back there? Behind me? Alright, that's enough of that. Back to the van to finish my morning coffee before we go out and do stuff. Don't chase the dogs. No! She's gonna pull my arm off one day, I tell you. Uma, leave it. Oh, what an awesome first stop in San Felipe. Holy cow, I think I'm gonna like this Mexico thing. So nice. Wake up and it's already warm in shorts. Gotta love it. It's like 8 a.m. right now. So yeah, we are packing up and heading further south. Hope you guys enjoyed the video and we'll see you next time. Take care, guys.